Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to set up bedtime in your iPhone 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Let me explain you what is the bedtime and why you want this. Bedtime is a system which will help you to remind you when you need to go to sleep, and it will also give you sound when you're going to need to go on wake up. Also, in the same period, there will be your phone going to be automatically silent mode. There will be no, if there is any incoming call, there will be no sound or anything's not going to be appear any sounds. We all know what is a do not disturb, so it's going to be your phone as a do not disturb at that particular time. So now let me share with you how you can set up this bedtime in your iPhone 11. For that, you need to go on your device clock, and if you click on clock, you will see it will appear something skin like this. You will see there is a down one is tab which is bedtime. If you click on it, you will see there will be a new screen appear which is say constant sleep is better sleep. So you're going to click here setup, and here it's saying set your wake up time. For example, I'm going to choose my wake up time, and then I'm going to click here next. And now it's saying choose your alarm. You can see here a bunch of alarm is there, which alarm you want to set, so you can easily choose that, and then you can simply click here next. After click on next, it's saying set your bedtime. When you're going to sleep from in night, what time? For example, I'm going to choose 10, and I'm going to choose here PM, and then I'm going to click here next. Now it's saying choose your bedtime schedule day. So you can see by default it's selected all the days, but I want to off Friday, and then I'm going to click here next. After here it's saying look after your sleep, do not disturb during bedtime time in bed. So you can see it's saying when that you set the bedtime, that time will be your phone like a do not disturb. So you're going to click here done. Now you can see I had successfully set up bedtime in my phone. Now it's saying at 10 p.m. I'm going to sleep, and 6 a.m. I'm going to wake up. If I click over there, you can also customize your bedtime. If I click over there, I will see a screen will appear which is saying this is the bedtime and this is the wake up time, and here the day of week activities, and also you can easily change it. For example, I want to change it to, for example, I'm going to choose here for 5 a.m. I am going to wake up, and I'm going to bedtime on 10 p.m. and you can see it's automatically set, and also you can see the total period time, how many hours I'm going to sleep, it's appear here. So in this way you can easily set up bedtime in your iPhone 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.